So welcome back to our tutorial. We want to continue with where we had left. So what I want to do now is I want to create two new surfaces. Surface texture for the glossy white. Whenever you create, when you have more options in terms of surfaces, it will help you when you go to visualization. It gives you like more room to do different or to try out different colors. So I want to change the fascia that we created, the fascia Structon. I want to change it to glossy white, and also I'm going to change the wall for the roof. The fascia board, I'm going to turn it to be fascia. I want it to be white as well, but now because I've created two new surfaces for the white, I'm going to call this one. I'm choosing glossy white T01, T02, and I will switch on the other layers or the other surfaces for the roof. So after hapo kitu nataka kufanya leo, mainly what we want to do today ni edit roof yetu. We make sure that the roof looks more nicer. So this is the roof editing. Of course I have another video which I think I'm just doing the same type of roof editing that I did in the previous video. So I choose the line tool, and I want to use the line tool as my guide. The line tool will help you to guide when you're editing your roof. You know to which point you're supposed to do something. So, and I'm going to pick at the center line for each side that I want to edit. And once I'm done kimalizana na kila kitu, then what I need to do next is it will be to split the roof. I've done all this before in one of the tutorial. There is a tutorial on this one where I've done every step again. I think I will leave the link. So you right click and you split the roof. Once I've split, I select every part that I want, and then what I'm going to do is to ungroup. So yeah, baada ya select kila kitu next tunaenda kufanya ni ku ungroup. Na once nikisha ungroup kila kitu, to ungroup something you can press Ctrl Shift and D. So at this point I just want to move the nodes, so I'm going to create, it's more like creating a new node, but yeah, for the first step you move the nodes, and then I'm going to create a new node. Once I create a new node at this point, then I'm going to edit again. Like you create new nodes, and you're going to repeat the same thing over and over and over again and again and again and again until you get tired. But it is a nice process. So this is how it appears after what we've just done. It is not bad, in a fiti. So now we have to do for all the ends, lazima tufanye kila side. I will play some music as you watch. So this is how it appears, what we have done so far, but of course we are going to do more. So tuendelee na editing. Now I'm just orbiting. To orbit you press 0, and then it will bring you the orbit option. So I want to do the same on this end as well. So yeah, you just have to do it like you select the roof that you want to do, then you move the node. Ukisha movisha hiyo node, una create new node, alafu una create new node again. So niku create two new nodes na kuziweka. So unaona natumia hiyo line yangu kama point ya reference. Kuna hiyo line nilikuwa nimechora ya kwanza. Hiyo line inakujenga sana kama point yako ya reference, ndio unatumia. Unajua wakati unafanya concept fulani inafaa uipeleke wapi. Juu pia ukikosea kidogo, ukienda kwa 3D utaona roof yako haijatokea fiti. But to that point, that is it. So the next part we're going to add to cover this side with a curtain wall, and you'll be able to see how cute it appears. See you in the next one, and remember to subscribe.